Nightmare mode o classic? Classic mode. Ba't tayo Taasan nga natin. So, ngayon lang nilabas ang mobile release. It's official, guys. Not fan-made shit. Hindi ganun. Okay?
No, trust me. You'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends.
Eugene.
Son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction.
Ay, ako talaga. Pinagkatiwalaan nyo ako. Baka mangyari masama.
Me on the dock at sunset. I hope you're ready.
Sunset? Ba't sunset? Di ba pwede umaga na lang? Wait. Itong tanong ko, paano nag-generate yung ganyang ano? Ano yung train tas gagamba, ano? Maghalo? Ano ba? So, medium lang yung ating graphics kasi maglalag tayo ng malala. Yeah, maglalag tayo malala.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half gigaspider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now and have nearly everything in order.
Okay?
Few people to meet and places to see. Simple
Mm.
errands, you know.
So, ano parang normal day sa inyo pag nandiyan si Charles?
To Aranearum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close.
Close
Charles
tip,
isn't
okay.
the only thing to fear around here.
Wait nga lang. Ay, good. Sino yung ano natin. So, pipindutin natin si Eugene.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill.
Hello sa one viewer natin.
Was killed earlier.
Hello, Joan. Ba yan?
So his old
Tama ba?
vision should be in there. If we can get to it, it could be an indie state.
Manahimik ka na, Eugene. So, ano, ilang taon ka? 56 years old ka na ba? Naglag. Ilang taon ka na, Eugene? Ang tagal mo. Ang bilis mo naman tumakbo. Oh my God, naglalag. Sabi na ito, nagsasabi ko eh. Naglalag tayo, guys. I mean, ang bagal mo pala tumakbo. Matanda ka na, nakakatakbo ka pa rin. I mean, may ganun naman. Pero mukhang 76 years old. Joke lang. Uy, visit ka.
Small shack up the path that might
Nawult ako sa'yo.
be inside. Take this map. See if the
Ba't di ka na lang ikaw kumuha ng ano, no? So, nakapanood na mga gameplay at di ko expected na may lalabas sa cellphone ng Chuchu Charles. So, di expected yun. Biglaan lang din. Dahil it's official release, guys. Official to, dito
good on.
fan-made.
Looks like you found it.
Oo, kasi ako may ambag.
That door and lead the way.
Wala ka kasing ambag eh. So, ano ba mo? Sasakay na ba ako agad ng tren? Your epic train. Use it to quickly navigate the island. A weapon and shield against your foes. Your respawn point if things go wrong. Game name, Chuchu Charles. It's official release, guys. Nasa Play Store na siya actually. Yeah, Chuchu Charles. Rinig nyo ba ako, guys? May mic kasi ako dito maliit. Oh. Okay. Uy, visit ka, Eugene.
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but
Chuchu Charles. Ano po yun? CHOO yan.
that gun you were looking
Correction
for,
lang.
Eric,
So, yeah. Yeah. Chuchu! Oh my God. Yay! Yay, Eugene! We're gonna die! Yeah! Yeah, we're gonna... Yan, napaisagaw mo.
your left. It's him.
Wow, wow, wow.
Him.
Wow, wow, wow. Ay, ay.
Light him up.
Oh no! Hipan mo, Eugene! Mag-overheat! Eugene, hipan mo! Magtumabi ka dyan, mamamatay ka! Eugene, hipan mo yung ano, yung bar... Oh. Oh. Oh, god damn. In loving memory, Eugene. Press F to pay respect. So, sana, Eugene, good team ang mangyayari sa atin. Bumabaril ako habang ikaw inipan mo yung ano, nag-overheat nating baril. What the heck? Ba't ka napunta sa tumagos siya sa ano?
Supposed to end.
Oh no, nabali ang kanyang paa.
Yes, sir. Easy in. Easy out. You don't need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to explain.
Oh no.
Find the eggs. Find my son.
Hindi! Bakit pa mapahinggan nun? Okay, so, siguro dito muna tayo, no? Mission NPC. Oh my god, ang lawak ng mapa. Kalawak ng mapa. So, dito muna tayo. Diyan muna tayo. So, namatay si Eugene. Sana, sana hindi pa siya namatay. Kasi, and alam mo yun, good team kami. Ano to? O, train. Huwag mo ko iwan. Gameplay nila. Okay. Sumobra. Wait lang. Ipapalit natin yung riles. Dito tayo pupunta eh. Yeah, stop the train. Choo-choo! Hello? Tapang ng babae yun. Nasa labas pa. Bang may, alam mo yun, baril lang gamit niya. Halos nga di natin mapatay ng baril. Tapos may gumagala pang train na gagamba.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon.
Patay na po siya.
Suppose that would be you.
Patay na po si Eugene.
There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train.
Okay.
Here's the key. And although the balcony is right by the
Alam pa kay. Thank you sa scrap, ate. Arigato. Okay, saan? Saan nga pala ulit? Nalimutan ko na kasi. Ito. Scraps found. Daming scrap. Sarap. Nang scrap Okay, puro scrap metal lang. Mission complete. Let's go. We got some scrap. Aray. Thank you, ate. Pakis. Joke lang. So, saan na tayo? Ito. Yum. What do we have here? Hello.
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy pants monster hunter.
Yeah, Monster Hunter.
Without making yourself useful. One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat. I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them.
Tanga ka kasi. Lockpicks, di mo alam gamitin.
If you can get that chest open,
Okay. Wala kang ambag. So, maganda. Ito, may scrap dito. Maglibot lang din tayo para may mga pang-grades tayo, di ba? So, eto nakita ko na eh. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Yan na lang eh. Are you serious? No. Oh, matatagalan tayo dito. Sorry guys. I'm not good at this. Tanga rin pala ako gumamit ng lockpick. Oh, di ba? I take that.
Well, that's the earth.
29 scrap. Hello, ate. Ibutin ko lang saglit. Di naman ikaw yung pinunta ko dito eh. Scrap metal lang pinunta ko din eh. Wow, chill ka lang dyan na. Alam mo, may gumagala ng halimaw. Pero chill lang siya dyan. Ano yan ba to?
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
Yeah, the Monster Hunter.
This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles. He retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed.
Yan na yung paglaban mo kay Charles. So, upo ka lang, tas may hawak kang bato. So, bato guys, paano mo nilaban ng si Charles? So, upo ka lang ng ganyan. Tas may bato. Panakot niya yung kay Charles. Babato niya.
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked.
3 eggs? Bago yun ah.
Mines.
3 eggs? May 3 itlog si Charles. Ako lakas 2 lang kasi akin. Hindi, joke lang.
Or theory in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine.
Buti may ambag ka. Oh, what the heck? Nasusunog ang... Alam mo yun? Nasusunog na yung bahay mo. Nakatayo ka lang dyan. Parang sabi niya, nag-chat si Crush. Nag-chat si Crush kaya okay lang masunog yung bahay ko. Yung ba yung ibig sabihin? Nasunog na yung bahay mo, chill-chill ka lang sa labas. What the heck? Nag-chat kasi si Crush daw.
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you... Using the water here, I don't...
Let's go. Wait. Orange. Judah Nelson. Red Sass. Okay. Let's go. So, dahan-dahan lang daw tayo. Dahil may mga kalaban na nang babaril na maskara. Oh no. May sumisipol. Whoa. You dumb. Uy! Uy! I'm getting out of here. Aray ko. Hinabol niya pala ako. Tulong! Tulong! Hinabol ako ng pangit! Lapit na tayo makalabas. Go, go! Andarang train! Andarang train! Haha! Choo-choo, Charles! Oy! Oh my God! Nag-overheat. Nag-overheat. Uy, mapindot ka. Yeah, that's right. Okay, don't panic. Hello.
My goodness, the others actually convinced someone to come help us.
Returnal. Ano yun? Yo, get the scrap. That's it? Oh, yung journal niya. Hello.
Say, you're that monster hunter.
Oo, ako si ako yun.
So, do you have any experience with ghosts?
Oh, no. No?
Someone or something has been pinning exactly 16. I always collect. I only found.
Oh, hell na! Alam ko na yun eh. I know that. Feeling ko ilang madaming beses tayo mamamatay sa may ghost na nalalaman yung babae. Labang scrap? Scrap, yes. Nyam. Hello.
Paul asked me to design a new weapon to help you.
Who the hell is Paul?
And use him.
Hello. Kuya.
I'm sure Eugene told you all about
Ah,
it. I need not introduce myself.
Ray. Okay. Papapatay na po si Eugene. Oh no. I don't like this. I don't like my job as a monster hunter. What do I need to do? Oh, we have bomb. Meron na pala tayo dito. Sorry, di ko napansin. I'm gonna run. Ooh. Ano to? Ang kailangan pala gawin. Oh my God. Muntik na ako mawala ng buhay dun. Give me the rocket launcher.
After you.
Walang pa. Paano pag... Wait. I have to. No, mali. Ooh, ha? Ay, bawal. Boo! We gotta get the box. Yum. Ay, tanga lang pala. Diretso lang. Oh no. Kakasabi ko lang. Charles! No! Wee! Naka-rocket launcher! Boom! Sorry, maingay ako. Boom! Wait! No! That's right. That's right. Yo, visit ka, Charles. Kakalaban ko lang sa'yo, lalabanan mo uli ako. Go, 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 mamamatay tayo. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh no. Napakabagal natin. Pupunta. Nandito na ata itlog. Kulay blue. I mean, parang hindi. Ay! Sorry! Sorry! Sorry. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry! Aray! Agay! Agay, agay, agay. Give me the egg! I'm getting out of here.
No, trust
Whee! Yes, tres. Go! 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 Takbo na! Oh, Michael Jackson, beat it. Aray ko naman. I'm gonna shoot you too. Telescope pa dyan ah.
You're the archivist my father told me about.
Si Paul, yung ano, yung may rocket launcher.
I'm disappointed to see that he chose to stay on the mainland rather than return with you. These remote explosives to each of the...
Okay. Nice. Paano pag sumabog ng maaga? May sabog na rin tayo.
That's the tallest and weakest bridge on the... I'll be on here. Take this once you think you're...
Ano yan yung nakuha ko? Oh no. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yung nakalagay? Finish it. Aray ko, ano yun? Gaslaw mo, sir.
So,
Ay, ma'am, pana. Yes.
my late husband built a gun to help fight. Bob was a contagious.
Bob?
If you do,
What the heck? Who is Bob? I mean, yung Bob siguro ay ang ating baril. Ating baril na gagawin. Si Bob.
The Archivist, in all your radiant glory. Paul entrusted me with a key to one of the mines containing an egg. But before I give it to you, there's an ancient shrine on the prisms. 3 slots are when fully loaded. Mutineer. Now for the resaw it once, however. Let's see.
Pwede. Kaya pala sa Basko di ka makapasok para sa ating magiging baril na Bob. E paano kung... May susi. So, may susi yung nakuha yung mga parasan. Oh! Hell yeah! Let's go! We got our new, we got our new... bagong barel. Ba't kumulog? I don't like the sound. Meron pa dito eh. So I guess we're gonna go. Where's our Bob? Hell yeah! Heck yeah! So saan tayo ngayon? Hello sa shoutout. RJ7, Joshua. Hello. Oh, wait. Sayang naman yun. Labas si Charles. I'm minding my own business, Charles. Wala kang pake. Let's go. So, alam naman na natin na dito yun. So, markin na natin ang ating train. Oh no. I don't like this. I don't want to get caught. Gotta run. Woo! No visitors! Sorry! Kukunin ko lang na may itlog nyo. I mean, ang pangit tayong ganun. Kukunin ko lang itlog, okay? Ay. Oh no. Scrap. Meron na naman. Scrap. I want to get my scrap. Bye-bye. Babay pa ako ng babay. Meron din pala dito. Wala ka nakita. Wala ka nakita. You don't see someone. Ang pangit nyo. We got the red egg. What do you mean I'm screaming out here? I don't care. Ow! Ow! Bye-bye! Pag ganyan. Ay, ala. Let's go. Get him next time, sabi niya. Naglag eh. Nangyari dito? Is this up? Nagbug ba? May official na pong laro. I mean, official release na. Ng Choo Charles. Heard him. Alam ko na mangyayari. Sabi ni eh. Not today, Charles. Nag-overheat, 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 nag-overheat. Wait, 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 wait. Boosh! Hello? What's up?
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about.
Patay na po si Eugene.
We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and that madman. You know, that old train of yours will need there are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve.
Oh, barn. Yeah. Hindi pumasok sa bahay. Kaya ka pala nasa bahay kasi kaya ka pala nasa labas ng bahay mo kasi nakalakad ka ng pinto. Dilakad ka ng pinto ng bahay mo. Oh no. Layo-layo din. Ng konti. Thanks sa scraps. Ayan, ayan. Dami. Thank you. Arigato. Isa pang scrap? May isa pa. Ito. Isa pang scrap. Ah, nasa isang scrap. Asa yung isa pang scrap? Ayun. Thank you. Mag-ikot ako ba may scrap? Ba may scrap tayo, no? I need more scrap. Nabulok ng barn mo. Yung barn mo. Konti lang ng scrap.
I need my pickles! I ate the last jar of pickles I had in my house. And there's only one jar of pickle. I would have gotten them out or someone else.
Pickle lady. Ano obsession mo sa pickle? Like, what the heck? That's weird as fuck. Pickles are the love. Pickles are the life. I love pickle. I love the pickle. I love the pickles. They make me feel the happiness. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Parang ang sas naman nun. What the sas? Oh my God, ang layo. Yo, what the heck? Ba't napakalayo naman? Get the pides from the pickle cave. But not scrap Hirino. So, ito na yung pickle cave, ano? Obsession sa pickle. Pickles, 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 pickles. Ba't nandito yung pickle mo? Ba't naman kasi nandito? Like, what's the obsession?
I thank you so very much for you are my
53 scrap. Tsaka next na natin tong ano, Boulder Field Pages optional. Ay, dito pala, tama lang pala. Oo, matraffic. Okay, what the freak? Santiago, alam mo yun. Yung, ayan nga, andyan na nga si Charles. Tumakbo siya eh. What the heck? Ang creepy. Ang bilis din. Charles, pwede ko na umalis, alam mo yun. Ah, heck, ba't ka nandito? Yo! May bagbay laro. Lo, napunta siya dun, oh. Lo. Na-stuck ba siya? Ba't di nagtigil yung sound?
Welcome. My apologies. I just so very fine out.
Hey, get out of here!
No?
I'm gonna shoot you!
Ito.
That's the exact. Now take.
Pages found. I don't like the vibe. Wala pa tayong nahanap na pages. The heck? Ang creepy. Uy, page. Uy! I don't like this mission. Ano yun? You're not gonna get me? You. Ang eerie ng sound. Nabaril ko lang siya. Yan lang gusto ko. Sis, pag yun ako sundan. Di ko pa nakuha yung page. Hindi ko nakuha yung page. Isa na lang. Ayun yung last page.
Thanks for bringing me those papers. Here are some.
Di okay. May tao lang pala dito.
Hey,
Hi!
you guys come here to work for us?
Gay! Joke lang. Yeah.
You must be. There's something at the top of these
Patay na si Eugene eh. Ako na lang natitirang Monster
Don't
Hunter.
worry, I won't make you work for free. I'm a nice enough guy to pay you.
Oh. Dami ata yung scraps natin dito. Dahil sa gay guy na rin.
Mr. Warren never told anyone from the mainland about his mining operation here. He never even reported the cave-in. He hasn't paid us since then. Top it all off, none of us miners. I'm gonna sue the pig. He keeps all his files at the top of these towers. Problem is, he erected. I could as a
Wala nang pa sa'yo. Gusto ko na lang makuha yung scrap tapos matapos yung laro. Pasok. Ayaw niya pumasok. Saan ako pupunta? Nalock na ako. Oh no. That is not good. Pasok. Tol, pasok. Pumasok ka na dito. Legit. Mamatay ka pa dyan. Aw. Paano ako aakyat? Legit. Paano ako aakyat? Something is wrong. Oh, eto pala. Oh no. Ito'y mahirap. Ano ba yun? Please tell me this is it. Pansit. Heck yeah. Tapos na para bumaba. Ito na nga ng energy. Ito na.
Here's that scrap.
Racist. What do you mean I look like a monkey? Bro is racist. So, kunting isang mission na lang at matatapos na yung laro. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, one way to go full gameplay na rin. Dahil I love you guys. 2 mission ito pang isang mission. Parang kahirap lang ng isang mission na yan. Hello.
Well, hello, darling.
Hello.
I'm making a fresh stew with ingredients from my very own swamp.
Ano kasi Shrek? Nakikitar ba sa'yo si Shrek?
I smell a carcass on the island in the swamp, and if you wait over there and bring it back for me, I'll take you to the swamp.
Ba't ka nasa labas? Merong nangahabol na monster. Oh no.
Keep an eye out for him.
The swamp monster. Ow, we're cooked. No. Oh, hell no. Kahit isang kayak. Oh, scrap. Oh my god. Naligaw na ako. Ay, yun siya, yun siya, yun siya. Haha. Oof. Ito na. Wala na bang scrap sa bahay mo?
haven't met, but I've heard lots about you coming to help us. I have a favor to ask. The breakers on the side of the lighthouse need replacing. I was recently attacked by Charles, so I'm unable to do it myself. The breakers are in the nearby supply shed. If you go get them and repair once you finish, I have some spare scraps to give you.
Saan yun? Oh, frick. Layo. Ay, andyan lang pala. Layo-layo pa ako nalalaman. Wait, katanga rin ng babae. Ito lang naman pala, di niya pa ano. You were attacked by Charles. My ass. Yun na yun. Okay, I guess na yun na yun. Repair, what do you mean? I need to repair it by myself. Dali naman nun. Oh my god. Nagulat ako dun. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Now I just need to go back. Let's go. I love the game. So, after, di pa September. So, 2023, 2024, and 2022. I mean, di pa included yung 2022 kasi September 22 ata ito ni-release. So, di pa September 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. So, malapit na mag 5 years yung Chuchu Charles. Tapos ngayon lang siya ni-release. Tapos na tayo sa sa mga mission, guys. Let's go. Now we just gotta beat Charles. We just need to defeat Charles. I swear. I'm happy about it.
Shouldn't be here.
Yes. Di pa ako nagpapatakbo ng company. Yes. This is it, pansit. Okay, ito na. Ito na, guys. Replacing the eggs.
Step away from the shrine, stranger. You don't know what you're doing.
Yes, I know.
Get down slowly and lay flat on the ground.
No.
You'll hurt far too many people if you follow through with whatever you're planning.
Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh no! Oh my god! What the heck? Oh no! Oh! Takbo! I don't want to die. Ooh! Deserve. Tandaan mo ako, Pars. Di kita natatandaan. Wait lang. Hey! Hey! Nag-overheat. Ratatatatatatatata. Grabe, yung nangyari kay Charles. What? Kaboom! Ano nangyari? What the heck? Wow! Ay, mamamatay, mamamatay. Mamamatay tayo. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Mamamatay na pala tayo. Oh no. We ran out of scraps. Ah! Hala, paano yun? Wait, did we did it? Oh! Oh! Napunta siya sa trap natin sa tulay kanina. Oh. Oh. Tusok. Patay si Charles. Charles, game by Gavin. Voice, okay. First of all, napakaganda talaga ng game. Legit. Music. Natapos din tayo sa Choo Charles. It's been 2 hours and 30 minutes. God dang. 2-star games. 5-star talaga yung laro mo to. Oh. Patay si Charles. What? Ano to? Bagong itlog? So, magkakaroon pa ng bagong Charles. So, babae si Charles. Pero pangalan niya Charles. Pwede ba yun? The heck? Another egg? So, may Choo Charles too? Oh no. Oh no. Ayan na, nag-hatch na nga. Ay, ang daming itlog. Ala, patay yung mga tao dito. Kadami pala nila. Ang dami. May white, may yellow, may red, may purple. Kadaming anak ni Charles. Patay mga tao dito pag nag-hatch lahat. Patay silang lahat, legit. So, ayun ang Choo Charles. What if ginawa kong epic? Ay, nag-epic na yung itsura.